Today we're talking about how you can create A+ content on Amazon and elevate and really differentiate your listing. Hey guys, I'm Farah. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. A+ content, which is also called enhanced brand content, can really help improve conversions on Amazon, lower your ACoS, and really provide customer with a great user experience. Make sure you download this checklist to create really awesome brand content. When a customer is shopping on Amazon and they land on your product page through search, they don't know your brand, they don't know your business, and by adding brand content to your product page, you really provide some sort of identity and a personality to your product offer, which can leave a good impression on customers' mind and bring them back for repeat purchases. You want to be clever and intuitive how you use this space. You don't want to keep talking about the product features that you have already mentioned in the bullet points in the product page and in the images. You want to talk about your brand story. You want to talk about lifestyle situations where your product can be used and really try to elevate the whole experience that the customer has on your product page. So next time when the customer is looking for that similar product on Amazon, they remember you and they come back looking for you.
This is what my listing that I created looks like at the moment without any brand content. Valuation by Helium 10. There's a lot of red that you see here, so we need to try to meet all of these different requirements that are considered good practices. The advertising tab, you will find the A+ content manager. This is where you go and you can add content. So you can click on this, start creating A+ content, and it gives you two options. So you can either do a brand story content or you can do enhanced product description content. And there's different ways people use this. You will only get this option in your Seller Central if you are registered as a brand with Amazon Brand Registry. So when you create a brand story, this is a preset module, and you just need to add the information in, your story and a couple of images on the side. Okay, go back to this and start creating enhanced product description. Now, there's a couple of ways that people use this. I'm going to add the content name just so I can save the draft. So I'm just going to call it Silk Scarf and UK English. Yep, let's save this for now. And I'm going to start adding modules here. Now, this is just a couple of different ways you can present information visually. I like to use bigger images. So I'm going to select a company logo. And that's the image dimensions you need in pixels, so 600 by 180. I'm going to add a large graphic as the biggest one, because then I can create a bigger, nice big image in Canva, which really makes an impact instead of using the smaller ones, because my product is fashion, so the bigger images, the better. So I'm going to add a 970 by 600 image in here. Here is an image that I want to use. By the way, this is a royalty-free image that's available through Canva. In photos, you can search it, and that's my company logo. I'm just gonna stick that in there, and that's it. I'm happy with this. I'm just going to add a filter here and just brighten things up a bit. The image was looking a bit dark, but I think I'm happy with this. It looks bright, it is on brand. I'm just gonna download this and save it for uploading to Amazon in JPEG.
Just wanted to tell you guys this, that I use Canva every day for my Amazon brand content and also for my social media brand content. So please guys, use the link in description below to set up your Canva account today, and let's create great premium content together. This is one of my subscriptions that is worth every penny. Anyway, let's get back to the tutorial.
This is the templates that are available pre-made with, images and text already selected in a style. So if you want to just speed up things, you can just select a graphic that you like and then just drop in your images. I sort of like this one. Okay, let's select this. So I will just select the first of the two. So this template has two parts, and I'm just going to select the first part of it. I'm going to get rid of this writing. I don't need that. This is the background. I can't get rid of the model, but I am going to cleverly just sort of cover her with my images. So I'm just going to remove the background from this, my image, the white background, so it becomes transparent and it will just blend in. So there you go. I have just selected. Now I'm just going to drop it there. Let's pop in one more. I want to cover the model, so I'm going to have to select a box and then just add some color to it. Just move it around, make it bigger, so it just looks like a geometric just going to get rid of the text from the back. I don't need this. I will add in my own text, but you just add that in and make it the size that you're happy with. Let's change the color of this, so you can just go into the color tab and just select a lighter color. I have these pre-selected brand colors, so I'm just going to use that. Okay, might need another piece of element. Bring this forward, yes, look. And I am just going to bring her forward too. Bring to front, okay. Not just forward, because forward is like just one layer. And I just want this to be like the highlight. I'm going to add some text.
If you guys want to learn more about local sourcing, please watch this video. I go in depth. I take you shopping with me and I show you how I find local suppliers. This is how I found the scarf that I'm talking about in this video, in the tutorial. So make sure you guys watch this video and subscribe to this channel. I'm building this listing for you guys so I can show you how you can improve this listing step by step, so you can replicate this for your own first product on Amazon.
Now we're going to upload these pieces of content that we just made into the content manager. We have a logo, a heading, and I'm just going to add some body of text here, which will be my description, rich with keywords. You can add as many modules as you want based on occasions and the uses of your product or wherever you decide it to be. Okay, I'm just going to add some text in here that will be keyword rich. which I've already researched for my product. Okay, here you are, option in. I'm just going to save this. You just copy the ASIN into the add ASIN section and it will bring up the product that you need to apply it to, and you just click apply content to after selecting the listing, and that's it, you're done. You just click next and review and submit. So here we are. Now you see that this is desktop version. So on a laptop or on a computer, this is how it will appear. So the logo part will be at the top, and then the big image and the description at the bottom. So if you just click on the mobile version of this, the same thing, everything looks in proportion now. Because most of the shopping is done through apps, Amazon app. Because I've got model images of my silk scarf, so I want to create a high quality front image. That's the main image for the product. And I just want to add the model images with both the face covering and the scarf around the neck. So I'm just going to adjust it and add both looks in. Okay, I'm happy with this, so I'm just going to download this. We're going to go to the image section, and I'm just going to change my main image to this, because product images with models always perform better in fashion products.
By creating brand content and brand store on Amazon, I have been able to slowly lower my ACOS across all my products. And the reason for this is when people arrive from search to your store, to your product page, when they see that this is a professional looking brand, this brand looks as good as anything on Instagram, and more people are shopping online and not just on Amazon. So anybody who is thinking about starting to sell on Amazon really needs to level up their game and really create amazing listings and not just throw a product on Amazon and just expect it to start doing great. When a person who's looking for a particular product and they land on your product page, they need to feel like they are looking at a great catalog, a magazine, and it needs to be glossy and attractive. You make it easier for that person to add that product to the basket. They won't get distracted from other ads on that page. You have to anticipate and you have to make sure that you are providing all the possible answers to the questions that customer might have on your product page, so they can add the product to basket and just check out and don't carry on looking for a better option. The Brand Content Manager in Amazon Seller Central is a great tool for that. Anyway, that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something from this. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.